guys, it's Renata speaking from my husband's channel. I just came out from school, which is Kyle Morgan's school, and I'm gonna be showing you how to play Fortnite. But there is a twist. Let's switch that table around. I'm gonna be showing you how the worst that I play Fortnite. So I am getting into Fortnite, which it is Fortnite. I'm going in a taxi. I meet a new friend. Going to the club. I just want to go to my friend's house. Isn't there more internet? Look. It is loading. It is loading. What bullshit bathroom closed? Fuji. What is that? Fuji. I'm going on a taxi on the way to the club. So it's it is loading. Miss and Mr. Smith. Still. I'm gonna go there and wait. I'm gonna say, where would I go? That's where I'm going. Let's see. I'm landing. Shoot the camera. Should I literally just what the? Didn't even do that. I'm just I'm just landing so softly. So I'm just gonna break this. Finally. Revive me. I am just... Somebody save me. There you go. Stop it. Well, I don't care because I'm just like literally telling you the worst. Like, I play super good. Like, one of my friend called Annabella, she is a noob playing it. So this is probably her. Look at this guy play. He's like, hey, I'm gonna go and get it. And nah, I'm not. I'm just like, let's switch the waitress around. Let's switch the waitress around. Yeah. He's just like, I'm gonna go fish. Wait. So I'm gonna. He has a sniper. No wait. He doesn't have. I have no idea if he has a sniper or not. Just see? Are you gonna move or something? So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell and give that, smash it. So go and see part 2 of Fortnite Relay. I'm just gonna let you see a little bit of Fortnite like right here. So